parang pressure is on, ganyan. Wala eh. Batak na batak yung ano niya, yung disposition niya. Palaban talaga. And we're just getting started. Kung na sinasabi nila, yes, magaling naman talaga silang lahat. Pero we're just getting started. I know meron pang igagaling yung boys. Malayo pa. Marami pang pwedeng ma-achieve yung boys with regards to their vocal breakthroughs. Marami pa yan. Hopefully, I can be part of their journey. You know, as they reach new heights. I'm thankful lang ako na for the trust that they have given me, you know, having me as their coach. So